Hello, my name is Gomes. I'm 27 years old. I'm from Campinas, São Paulo, but at the moment I live in São Carlos, São Paulo too, because of the Federal University of São Carlos there is, where I study mechanical engineering. To be exact, I'm in 7th semester of 10. My family is small. We are just in 4 people. My father Divino, my mother Sueli, my brother Evandro, and me. We have a very busy routine. My father is an electrician, my mother is seamstress, my brother is a DJ, and I am a student. But I work on weekends and vacations with my father. I have a girlfriend. Her name is Natalia. She's beautiful. I love her. We are dating for 5 years. We love staying together. It's always totally special. I'm a determined person. I always fight for my goals and my dreams. In the past, I was extremely anxious. This was very bad to me. But at the moment, I can control this, especially in the university, when I have tests. As I spoke, I'm a very busy person. I wake up at 7:30 a.m. and I sleep after 23 p.m. I have class during the day. After class, I practice some activities as karate on Mondays and Wednesdays, and other days of the week I go to the gym. In my free time, I like playing the guitar and watching series and movies. If you want to know more information about me, you can see my CV, write or call me. Thanks for your time. See you soon.